So I got the tree up and I wanted to share with you guys what I'll be using to decorate the tree, because this year I'm going to do, I guess, the same theme that I did last year, which is like black and gold. So I kind of was looking on Pinterest and I saw some ideas for kind of like a black and white and gold, kind of like modern Thanksgiving. See, I'm thinking about food already. Christmas decor. So I'm going to share what I got. So I got a lot of things from Target. I did get a few things from Amazon, but for some reason my Amazon package is missing, and so I'm gonna have to use some of my ornaments from last year and figure out what's going on with that. But I do have these kind of like champagne gold and white bolt ornaments. These are glass ornaments that I picked up from Target. They're a set of 42. So I have these here. It does look like it's gonna kind of blend in with the tree a little bit, but I think because I'm adding in some hints of black, it'll pop out, and then hoping that the light reflects on this. So I have these ones here, and I did also get some ribbon. So this is a velvet ribbon from Target. This is the Wonder Shop. So I'm gonna kind of put that around the tree. I've never done ribbon before, but I saw some cute ones on Pinterest. So I'm gonna try to do ribbon this year. I do have the star for the tree that's gonna go up. I did order some wrapping paper. I got the matte black wrapping paper from CB2. I'm waiting for that to come in, because I'm thinking what I'm going to do is use the black wrapping paper along with these ribbon that I got from Target. They are black, white, gold, and gray. I probably won't use the gray one, but I'll use the black, white, and gold ones. I think it'll go with the decor in here. I did get a few pine cones to stick into the tree because I do have a little bit of brown tones, not a lot. The couch has some brown tones, the legs, and the bar stool. So I figured these might look nice, or I might just put them around maybe by the coffee bar or something like that. I did get this one little mini tree to put around. In the spirit of Christmas, I got these hand soaps and hand lotion. This is the Frost Fire. Well, either way, these are the holiday hand soaps and lotion. So I might put them on here somewhere. I did get some lights to put outside on the balcony, so I got these lights. These are mini. I think these are smaller than the ones I had last year. So I do have these to put outside. Wreath is from last year. I got this from Target. I actually still have the tag on it. So this is the wreath that I'm going to use this year. It kind of goes with the tree, and it goes with pretty much just, yeah, it goes with the tree. I wanted something simple. I have this snowflake pillow that's gonna go on this chair here because I think it would look really nice with the black, so it'll kind of be like black and white. I also did get a mug for the holidays, and I got some pajamas. I have these ones that I'm wearing right now, and then I have another one. I'll show you guys my holiday mug. It's right here, course, for Christmas. So I'm going to be using this quite a bit to make my coffee and my hot chocolate. I don't know how big it is, but I feel like it's probably 20 ounces because it's bigger than my other mug that I use in the morning. I did get 2 things from Amazon that I'm going to unbox and put away, and I don't think I'm going to do this tonight. I might put some of the decor tonight, but it's been a long day. I'm probably gonna call it a night, and tomorrow I'll put all of the decorations up. I'll organize this mess that I have going on with all of the Christmas stuff. So I picked up this square roaster set here because it comes with a lot of useful things here. So this is the set. And what you get, okay, so this is the pan I was mentioning. Funny enough, I don't think there's a booklet that comes with here because I don't know the official names for all of these pieces, but I think this would be a good set if you're somebody who likes to cook, or if you want to give to someone who likes to cook. I believe this, you can put the chicken on top of this, like sit the chicken upright and put it on a grill to grill the chicken, or maybe put it in the oven. You can use these to pick up the chicken or turkey. This, I guess, if you want to spread around some butter or some seasoning on top. And then this has 2 racks inside, depending on how you want to cook it. So you have this first one here, just to kind of keep all the juices out. And then you have this one as well. So I'll be using these Thanksgiving to bake the chicken because I'm not having turkey. So I thought this would be a really good gift idea if you guys are thinking about something. And then the other thing I picked up from Amazon is the Stag. This is the Stag. This is the electric pour over kettle. I've been eyeing this for a while. I've had it on my wish list. Finally got it. So this is what it looks like here. I decided to get the matte black one. So I know there's one, ooh, let's camera focus. I know there's one where you can get the brown handle. There's a silver one. I got the matte black because I'm really liking the matte black and just black tones here in the kitchen. So got this here. I'm excited to check it out tomorrow, or either later today. I might make some tea. Okay, I gotta go clean up all this mess that I've made. So I will see you guys